effect from Saturday afternoon through Sunday evening. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flood watch for portions of New Jersey, including the following areas: Hunterdon, Worcester, Middlesex, Morris, Somerset, Sussex, and Warren. From Saturday afternoon through Sunday evening, widespread rain amounts of 1 to 3 inches is expected to move into the region late tomorrow afternoon and continue through Saturday night. Rain is expected to taper off Sunday morning. Some rivers may be slow to respond, so the flood threat could continue for several hours after rain has ended. The majority of this rain will occur within a 12-hour period, which may cause poor drainage areas, urban areas, and small streams to flood. A flood watch means there is a potential for flooding based on current forecasts. You should monitor later forecasts and be alert for possible flood warnings. Those living in areas prone to flooding should be prepared to take action should flooding develop. Here is the latest weather map discussion. Showers will develop from west to east today as the Pacific frontal system tracks through the tri-state region. As the front tracks offshore overnight, any rain will come to an end. Low pressure over the southeastern United States will then begin to track towards the region on Saturday. This slow-moving low will bring periods of rain to the area through the weekend. High temperatures today will be close to normal. Temperatures over the weekend, however, will grow cooler each day as the low sits offshore. The offshore waters forecast for...
Apparently this thing went off for an unrecognized watch.
Including the waters west of Milan from 39.3 north, 71.9 west to 37.7
So that's
north,
interesting.
72.9 west. Gale force winds possible Sunday. Today, south winds 20 to 30 knots. Seas 5 to 9 feet. Tonight, south to southwest winds 20 to 30 knots, becoming southwest 10 to 20 knots after midnight. Seas 6 to 10 feet. Areas of fog, a chance of rain with visibility 1 nautical mile.
Hopefully I'll be getting one more.
Saturday, south winds 15 to 25 knots.
Alright.